Good morning, YouTube. Hope you're having a good day. See Jason here. This house here is all but done. He's had all the doors off because they were getting painted, but he had them off because he was redoing these floors. Sanding them. What'd you put on them?
Polyurethane.
Polyurethane. Man, they are, I'm telling you now, they are something else. Jason was saying to me that he catches a lot of flack about people saying you ought to marry them houses as long as it takes y'all to redo them. Well, Jason was saying, like, we don't do a real good job. I do kind of on the videos. I do video them when we start on them of how rough they are, but we really take these houses to the next level.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I detest when anybody ever says to me, you're a slumlord, because they hadn't seen my houses.
That's right.
Because I'm not a slumlord. Jason has pretty much done this whole house. Tony helped him on sanding the floors. Tony does the final cleanup on the houses and all that, but I've been pulled off on another job. And that's one of the things too that takes us a while on these houses is, man, we get pulled off. We get service calls. I've got so many properties that we get service calls a lot, and we're pulled off, and we may be off on that for a day or two, and then we're back over here. We've actually been pulled off and went to the new construction, all of us have, over there during the middle of this. So there's a whole lot goes on. We're not just right here on one house every day, all day long. Jason, he said he took these over. He's got them over in the garage. He's painted them black. Black.
High gloss.
And he painted the floor here on the fireplace. And then he's painting all the registers. This right here is where there's been a huge transformation. Jason, come in here. This is your handiwork. Of course, I had all new cabinets made. There's a place, a few miles from here that makes cabinets, and I had them to remake them, but we tore this wall out, and Jason made this bar area right here, which turned out just, I mean, really fabulous. New refrigerator, ice maker and water in the front. As you see, the new cabinets. I mean, the kitchen really made a huge transformation. You know, new backsplash. Jason hung the cabinets all by himself. What he did was made a 2x4 stand, the height that he needed, set the cabinets on a 2x4 stand and screwed them to the wall. But as you can see, this bar area really turned out good. See the banister that a couple videos ago, I did a little video on that. All of this room up here has been painted, brand new carpet. And then Jason wanted to tell you about
the previous tenants had kicked holes, big holes in all these walls. And a lot of these old houses, you got a lot of rise and dip to the walls. So instead of cutting all this sheetrock out and just replacing it, I did like a fake wainscot out of Luan. Like to see them kick holes in that stuff now. Be bad on your toesies. But we did it from this wall to that wall. It's just really hard to cut out a hole and to get it to match up, especially a big size hole.
Jason's done a really good job on this house. Super job, because I haven't been here a whole lot. I've had to pretty much just turn it over to him, let him do it, while I was out taking care of another place. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you this house. It's already rented. A lot of times my houses are rented before they're ever done, or they're spoken for, and this one's spoken for. People are gonna take it over about Thursday. So Jason and I are gonna head out of here. We'll see you later.
God bless you too.
See you guys.